Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make sweet boondi easily at home. Let's see what are the ingredients. Plain flour 1 cup, gram flour 1/4 cup, salt 1/4 teaspoon, sugar 1 cup, water, vanilla 1 teaspoon, food coloring, baking powder 1 teaspoon. First I am going to combine flour, gram flour and baking powder together. Now sift everything using a sieve. Add some salt and mix well. Now you have to gradually add some water until batter comes to the right level. If you make a proper mixture, it should be like this. Now our mixture is ready. At this level, I am going to add some food coloring. You can choose any color for this, but I like red color, therefore I am adding red coloring for this. Now keep the batter aside and make sugar syrup. Heat a pan and add 1 cup sugar and 1/4 cup water. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now you have to stir everything on low heat until sugar dissolves. Now I am going to fill the batter to a piping bag. Cut the edge of the piping bag like this. Now heat oil in a pan and pour the batter into oil like this. Fry boondi few minutes. Now you can get them out and immediately put them into prepared sugar syrup. You have to remember at this time sugar syrup should be hot, otherwise it doesn't absorb well to our boondi. After stirring well like this, you can get them out and serve. This is our sweet boondi. You also can try it and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please share, comment and subscribe to my channel.